Hi guys, Salibonani and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video you're going to see me in the kitchen and it's something very different from what I normally do, but as a busy working mum of one, it will be kind of nice to share some of my cheap and cheerful recipes and things that I love to do in the kitchen. So one of the first ones that I'm sharing with you guys is the Jamaican inspired rice and peas that I do in a rice cooker. Literally takes about 20 minutes and the ingredients are super cheap. It's something that everyone in the household can eat, enjoy, and it just kind of spices basmati rice up a little bit. So if you're interested in finding out how I like to make my Jamaican inspired rice and peas at home, then definitely keep on watching. Until the next video guys, take care.
Okay guys, so these are the basic ingredients that you need. So some kidney beans, bay leaves, garlic powder, some pepper, coconut milk, basmati rice, and you don't see the salt but you need some salt. So I'm going to pop in about a teaspoon of the garlic granules, and this is great for bringing that extra flavour in the rice. So all the dry ingredients are going into the rice cooker, and then I'm going to grind out about maybe half a teaspoon worth of pepper, and then I'm going to pop in some bay leaves. I like to pop in about 3, so 1 for each half cup of rice. And then I'm going in with about 2 teaspoons of table salt. And then those are basically the dry ingredients before I start popping the kidney beans in. And I just need 1 tin can's worth in there. And then I also like to add the coconut milk into a container and pop it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes just to melt away the bulk of the solid coconut milk content. And then I'm pouring in 1.5 cups of basmati rice into the rice cooker before I mix all the ingredients up. And then I'm just adding 1/2 cup of warm water into the coconut milk as it's come out of the microwave. And then I'm just going to pour that in and start mixing everything together. Okay, so once that's done, I'm then going to let the rice cooker do its thing for about 15 minutes before I then go back to check on it. Check how the rice is doing. And another thing that I really like to do probably 5 minutes before everything's done is just mix all the ingredients up, because the kidney beans tend to kind of rise to the top, so you just want to mix everything up. Give it another 5 minutes, let that simmer a bit, and everything just comes together really nicely. And then you've got the end result and everything's steaming and it smells really full of flavour, but it was super quick. And then now it's time to plate up, and this is basically the finished result. Until the next video guys, thanks for watching, take care, bye.